Hello guys, welcome to PRBTB. My name is WRAPROWS. In this video, I want to show how we can create a simple macro. The macro is a series of tasks that has been recorded so that we can run that in a single click. That will save our time. For example, I will show it first this scenario. For example, I want to bold these all the text. Not only bold, I want to bold them and increase the font size. Okay, then after I want to change the color, mm, or I want to change the background color to yellow also. I want to do all this stuff in this cell. But to do same for these all, I have to go through all these steps again. This seems very much time consuming, but using macro we can do that in a single click or in very short time. For that you need to have developer option in this, but I cannot see developer tab in this menu, so I have to add that. Somewhere here is the options menu, browse view options is not. Okay, here is that options uh, in file. Now we have to customize ribbon, then add developer tab from here. In the list of main tab there is a developer tab, check that and okay, you can immediately see developer here. Then click on developer and start recording macro. Okay, first of all I will select the cell. This is the cell. Then I will start record macro. Okay, its name is macro2, let it be, and we may set a shortcut key for this. Suppose shortcut key is Q, capital Q. Control Shift Q is the shortcut for this macro. We can write description also and store macro in this workbook or new workbook, this option. Right now this option is fine, and you can write something in description also, bold and color suppose. Okay, now recording has been started because you can see here stop recording. So I want to do all these things what I need to do. First of all I have to increase the font size, that is 14. Then after I have to do bold, then I have to change background, then I have to change the color. Okay, that is done. Now stop recording. Okay, that is done. Now I am gonna select this and pressing Ctrl Shift Q. That's amazing. In a single click we can do all these series of tasks. Ctrl Shift Q. In this way you can do this to save your time. Okay, share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.